Nurture. Nature explains only half of the story. Nurture, perhaps more important than nature, because nurture will either boost or lack of nurture will frustrate your destiny. You may have strong gifts or talents, but they won't amount to much without a strong and consistent nurture. Number one, prayer. I'm starting with that because it's important. But we have turned it to the only thing we do. That's what is wrong there. Prayer is okay. But you know, there are days when God wants you to be out there working on your gift, and all you are doing is saying, I'm fasting and praying. We have turned it into an idol. Fasting. 40 days fasting. 100 days fasting. I don't have a problem with fasting. But it's a lazy excuse for the failures that we have become. Waiting for God to do what He has empowered us to do. We are using prayer as clutches. Prayer is vital. Prayer is important. But what do you do after you have prayed?